Moikka! Tervetuloa jälleen Rakkaudesta softaan videoiden pariin ja kolmanteen videoon sarjassa ohjelmisto-omaisuuden hallinnasta. Jälleen kerran meillä on kansainvälisiä vieraita Xensamilta, joten vaihdetaan kieli englanniksi. So, welcome to our little show here. Would you introduce yourself?
Thank you. Yes, my name is Martin Tureniek and I am the Sales RVP for EMEA North at SAM.
Great. For the third video, kind of the driving topic that we were thinking about discussing is how SAM tool user experience in itself could increase productivity. And maybe the first question that comes to mind is why is a proprietary SAM tool actually needed?
It's a very good question, I would say. And I would say that because still we are somewhere along 20 years into the evolvement or even more evolvement of SAM tools. And as I see it, there are still a lot of organizations that don't have a SAM tool, even though the Nordics is a very mature market. And the reasons that you should have it or that organizations need this type of technology is to ensure that they are compliant from a license and auditing perspective. But now also as license models evolve more to a perhaps user-based licensing with less focus on compliance, you have the need from the cost effectiveness perspective. So ensuring that you're not paying too much or over-consuming licenses.
Okay. So what do you see is important when you develop your solution?
So when we develop our solution, I would say that it's important that we do something that makes the operators or the users in the solution efficient. And I've worked with a lot of different technologies over the years, and this is something that I've seen that there has been a lack or general lack of focus on within the SAM industry. So how do we ensure that the time spent within the SAM tool generates some sort of output when it comes to compliance, when it comes to effectiveness around generating cost savings, for instance.
Okay. And I know that there are people from all kinds of organizations watching our videos. Yes. What would you say to those people that what kind of an organization could benefit from a solution like yours?
That's a good question as well. So I would say that from my perspective, all organizations benefit. There are of course organizations with just a few employees, startups, etc., that might not have the need for a SAM tool yet. But as they evolve, we have customers here in Finland with from 200 endpoints and upwards, I would say. They are very server intensive, so I think they have more servers than they have employees. And then we have customers with 40, 50,000 computers as well here in Finland. So the span is quite big. Okay,
so as I see it, there's not that many companies or organizations here in Finland that shouldn't consider this. Thank you very much for your time. I had fun making these videos with you.
Likewise.
So I'm going to switch back to Finnish for the wrap-up. Yeah. But kiitos jälleen kerran meidän videoiden katsomisesta ja toivottavasti tässä oli jotain, mikä herätti teissä ajatuksia. Mielellään keskustellaan asiasta teidän kanssa vielä syvemminkin, joten olkaa ihmeessä yhteyksissä ja lähdetään miettimään sitä, että olisiko tässä jotain semmoista, mistä voisi teidän organisaatiolle olla teidän toiminnassa hyötyä. Kiitos paljon ja varmasti palataan jatkossa jälleen uusien videoiden kanssa.